Randall New Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram presents this 2013 Chrysler 300 4-door sedan 300S rear-wheel drive, represented in Jazz Blue. Fuel efficiency comes in at 31 highway and 19 city. Under the hood you will find the 3.6-liter 6-cylinder 24-volt MPFI dual overhead cam coupled with the automatic warranty information. Purchase this Chrysler with confidence knowing it is backed with a 36-month/36,000-mile warranty. The word around town, the 300 presents a luxury big car design and style at an affordable price. The 2011 redesign gave the 300 an Audi-like appearance and presence, but prices still start around $30,000. The lineup of powerful engines and available all-wheel drive mean the 300 also has performance credibility. Inside, a comprehensive list of standard equipment as well as safety technology means the 300 competes above its class in both features and price. Options and safety features: nicely equipped with advanced multi-stage front airbags, all-speed traction control, daytime running lamps, driver airbag, dual note horn, electronic stability control, front and rear side curtain airbags, front seat supplemental side airbags, hill start assist, inside emergency trunk lid release, park view rear backup camera, rain brake support, reactive head restraints, ready alert braking, rear door child safety locks, tire pressure monitoring display. Awards and accolades: Awards 10